All right, you guys. I'm going to give you two things every beta owner needs. Every beta owner needs. 2-stroke, 4-stroke, old stroke, I don't care. Two things every beta owner needs. So I'm going to get into it, but I'm not going to show you till I start. Well, maybe I will. Well, shoot. I got some cool stuff. I'll show you one thing right now. I got some bling. Carapak. 5 down, 5 back. That's millimeters, that is. These things are... these are some good looking foot pegs. Look at that weld. Oh, I love the color of the rainbow. It's sweet. I went with the open design on the bottom. They are beefy. Can't wait to put these on. So let's get, oh, dang the sun. All right, so let's get to it. Let's put these bad boys on and see how they look. I'll do a ride review on them after this weekend. I got a race tomorrow. Was gonna put the X trig on, but I'm running out of time. Playing a little hooky from work, so just trying to get this done. But that's one thing. The next thing is, you know what? You just got to wait till the end of the video, because it is the best thing every beta owner needs. And I'm not joking. I am not kidding. I'm dead serious. If you're a beta owner and you don't need this, please put in the comment. I can't believe I waited this long. I'm going to go quick on these foot pegs, and then we'll get to it. Hopefully the video will be less than 15 minutes. But if I keep talking, it won't be. All right. Talk to you guys here in a minute. Okay, so if you've never done foot pegs before, I'm going to demonstrate on this side. I've got the race edition, so I got the fancy billet, you know, seemed like, hey, why? So we're going to take these off, but you're like, why would you trade these out? These are good foot pegs. I haven't had any problems with these. My problem is on the shift side. I'm in between adjustments, up and down, I think, with my boot profile. So I thought if I got 5 down, 5 back, it might give me just what I need to get my shift lever into the premium spot. For me. You know, not everybody's as picky as I am. I'm just picky. So how do you get these things off? Well, I got you down here for a reason. We got to get this cotter pin off. And then we got to pull this out. And then we got to pull this out. So let's get to it. I will go to the store and get new cotter pins. I will not reuse these. Well, at least I don't think I will. So, no, I won't reuse these. So you won't see me put these back in, but kind of the same thing. You want that bend. All right. This should not be rocket science. Let's just hope that spring is not difficult. Yeah, I know. You can see me fumbling around. Just got to get up underneath it. There we go. I'm going to rotate this just a little bit so I can pull it up the top. Could wiggle these things to death, break them. I always like to save everything. You know, you never know when in a pinch you may need something and you don't want to have to go to the store. Alright, that did not work. Let's try again. Let's put a little bit more squeeze on these 5 screws. Come on out. Alright. Using your vice grip hammer sometimes works. I need to really squeeze on these bad boys. So I've just about ruined this cotter clip. I don't think I have any, but I gotta go to the store anyway. So, alright, pull the cotter pin, pull the washer. This may be a violent act. I don't know. Sometimes they are, sometimes they aren't. I always use, hopefully my arm's not in the way, get some kind of cheap dead blow hammer, you know, keep it safe. I'm gonna go from this side now. Use my channel locks. Alright, so now I'm going to change to some kind of prying device and a hammer and try to hammer these things out. Protect the frame. Protect the frame. It came with the frame. As you can get these things just loose enough. I mean, you could actually even go in here. I don't want to. It's longer than I thought. There we go. So we're out. So you kind of want to pay attention to the way this spring falls out. So you can put it back in the right spot. Okay. I'll give you a look from the top. This spring will come out. Make sure you pay attention. There's a reason why that's hooked like that. It goes into like a little slot on the frame. Kind of adds tension. And I drop it. Well, so we're going to grease all this stuff up. And I'll be right back because the grease is out in the truck. Side by side comparison right there. Oh, let's do this. They are just as wide. Just as long. Oop. They are just as long as well. You can't lay them out. You gotta look at it. Alright? Same dimensions. No difference. It kind of gets me excited a little bit. Alright, let's get these on. So trying to keep my hands out of the way so you guys can see. Let's try this again. Let's try this again. So the reason why I missed it, I'll miss it here too. Here we go. I gotta get it in between the frame guard. Artec frame guard. Should go there. Okay. Now that looks a lot easier. This is where I knew it would get difficult. That spring wants to put tension on that. Here's my tools again in the way. I have to get on my ass. Alright, so I'm gonna Alright, I'm being quiet again. I'm sorry, y'all. Once you get that started, you're almost there. Now, it's just a matter of getting that spring back down into place. The spring is important, y'all. Whoa! Need something with a little bit more surface area. I'm gonna try this little T-handle. Try to push. There's a hammer. I'm gonna tell you what, that's one of the easiest foot pegs I've ever put on. Sometimes these things are difficult. So, just for posterity, I am going to put the old cotter pin back in for just a minute. Because like I said, I gotta go get a new one. So there's that one. I don't want to lose that washer. Alright. That is a good looking foot peg. Alright. Come here. Alright, so pretty, whoa, bright light. Alright, so I'm pretty happy with the way that turned out. Looks pretty good, y'all. Damn. Okay, also, I got my graphic in today too. It's a smorgasbord of, it's a plethora of parts. I got a new number plate. Graphic. Check this out. Boom. Special ed. Yes. All right. Looks good. Contacted Rusk Racing. Went on their website, ordered just the front plate, and then it allowed me to make changes. So I took my last name off and I put special ed on the top. I think it's a sweet look. These guys so far have been great. Took less than a week to get here. Same thing on those foot pegs. They came from another country. You know, I'm here in the States, in South Carolina, and I think it took, I ordered them over the weekend, Saturday or Sunday, and it's Friday, and they're already here from another country. Freaking amazing. I think I paid like 154 bucks after, they price them in euros, so when you buy them, they come this way, but stainless steel construction, oh my gosh, I mean, those are sexy. All right, I'm gonna put the other one on. Double the sexy is double the fun. So I'm gonna put the other one on, and then I'm gonna show you the. I am going to show you the one thing every beta owner needs. Promise. I'll get back with you guys here in a minute. Okay, I got them on. This side was actually easier. I think the experience I had on the other side helped me with this side. But I don't know if you can see both of them at the same time. Dumbo ears in effect. Bam. I'm super stoked about these. I hope I like them. I really do. But hey, I'll give you guys a full review. I'm already liking the way that I can already tell it's lower. Because my shifter, where my shifter is. So I had it originally from the factory in one spot. It was good, but it felt like I had to get down a little bit too low to grab it. So I went up, and now it feels like it's a little bit too high to grab it. So I know what you guys want. You guys want to know the one thing every beta owner can't live without and has to have. All right, y'all ready? Okay. Comes from, I ordered this from a company. They didn't pay me. I bought it from them super fast. I emailed them because I couldn't find it on their website. I saw this on another site. Highland Cycles, their YouTube channel. And I was just like, you've got to be kidding me. It's that simple. Well, it comes from, here, I'll just show you. True North Motors. TrueNorthMotos.com. in Olympia, Washington. Now, I'm all the way in South Carolina. This thing took a week to get here. I ordered it on Monday, I think, and it got here on Friday. So, super stoked. It's not a big, heavy thing, but if you've seen this before, you've seen the other channel, you know what it is. And every beta owner should have it. I'm going to put it on, and then I'll show you. Well, you know what? No. I'll break it down. I'll show you. Let me see if I can find this thing. It's small. It's not big. But it's worth every freaking dime. This is it. It's a kickstand spacer. It goes in between the bottom part and the metal stand. It's a 3D printed piece of plastic. Fantastic. I'm gonna go ahead and put this on. And then my lean is over. My lean is over, y'all. Okay, now, I know everybody complains about it. I don't know why the aftermarket company makes the same stinking kickstand. Or there's a nice CNC with their adjustable one, but I think this is going to do the trick. I mean, what is that, an inch? Yeah, it's about an inch, you know? Or if you're a guy, that's like 9 inches right there. But no, it's really, truly only about an inch. So I'm going to put this on, and then I'll show you what it looks like. Alright, there it is. Alright, fit and finish was a little snug, so I had to do a little prying, maybe some heat work. I don't know, maybe my kickstands got a little rounded, but fit and finish was subpar, but you know what? It does the job. She's leaning a lot less, folks. A lot less. More like a standard motorcycle. So, the real moment of truth is, you know, can we store it? Alright, so I got this bad boy sitting up there. I'm going to try to hold the bike up at the same time as I clamp this in. So let's see. Alright, whoop. Alright, that's that. Alright, you can actually go a little bit further down, you know, but it's on there. Does a good job. It'll hold it in place. You know, hey, I think it was like 20 bucks. Well worth the money. Hopefully be worth the money. Hopefully I don't knock this off in the first race, but it's sitting up there. It's out of the way. I think it's good. It's sturdy. Just the way the, I mean, it could be a kickstand defect for all I know. No, it you know, little bit of work, and it's on. And I think I'll be happy with it. So that's it for today. Keeping it short. Yeah, keeping it short, keeping it real. I will be racing tomorrow, Carolina XC. 2-race format. Are we going to test out the foot pegs? No. I'm not having any idea. I am going to look at it, try to line up the shifter where I think it should be. Then I'm just going to let her eat. And we'll see. And I'll have a race video posted. 2 motos. 40 minutes each. We'll see how I do. We'll see how I like this foot pegs. Alright, appreciate it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And catch up with you guys later. Enjoy.